Vishnu Chakravarti, in another place, he explains that Kushla means persons who are full of faith or very attached to and affectionate toward Krishna. Simply, they're simple and they're very spiritual advanced. In other words, Kushla is a faithful, affectionate person who is very attached to God or Krishna, like the Brajagopis. Therefore, when they say, Kurvantihi twayi ratim kushla sa'atman, they're actually describing themselves. Because the first line of verse 33, the first pada, it says, expert transcendentalists always direct their affection toward you because they recognize you as their true self. So the gopis are speaking what is called Parokshavad. In the 11th canto of Bhagavatam, Krishna says he likes very much when he's indicated or glorified in an indirect way.